Do you have a detrimental soul tear? If you're frustrated that nothing seems to work in life, you may be experiencing a soul tear. A soul tear is a tear in your auric field surrounding your physical body. Even a single small tear can allow harmful external energies to infiltrate, diminishing your natural psychic protection. It's like trying to shelter in a building with no roof, or holding water in a cup with a hole. It's hard to manifest with your energy leaking. It's a challenge to stay positive with no protection. Soul tears are common among unplanned pregnancies, unwanted children, and father abandonment. My journey began with my son, whose father abandoned him, and I found the answer through an unexpected healing journey. Spiritual hygiene is important. Reach out to me if you'd like to get your cup sealed permanently and manifest your destiny.